Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Bentley isn't a brand that we necessarily associate with being eco-friendly. It produces huge, powerful vehicles that are adorned with the finest materials. Despite that, and the image the company has to maintain, somebody in crew clearly gives a crap about the planet. That's part of why the whole Bentley factory is solar powered and why now Bentley has committed to electrifying its whole fleet by 2023. That isn't to say that all Bentley models will be EVs, rather that they will all at the very least feature a hybrid system of some kind. Simone Giertz is best known as the queen of shitty robots, and for her work with Adam Savage and his Tested channel on YouTube. Now though, she can add another massive peacock tail feather sized feather in her hat because she went and built herself a dang Tesla pickup truck. Well, a ute actually, but we're not going to split hairs. She worked on the project with the help of another one of our favorite YouTubers, Rich Benoit of Rich Rebuilds, and frankly, the lack of jankiness in her build is enough to make us want to go and give it a drive. Aston Martin has been hard at work developing some genuinely bananas hypercars lately. First we got the Vulcan, then we got the Valkyrie, and then finally the AMRB003, which was some kind of dumb and characterless name totally not befitting such a great British brand. Someone at Aston recognized this though, thought better, and decided to change the name from AMRB003 to Valhalla, which, according to a super rad Antonio Banderas movie we saw once, is where the brave may live forever. In this case though, you can probably replace brave with rich and live forever with embarrass themselves on YouTube. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.